What the? What is that noise? Wait, hold on. Oh, hey guys! I found you! Hey! I was looking for you! You left me! I'm scared. Hi guys! Hey, where are you guys going? Wait, hold on. Wait, I gotta get that. Oh.
Back up a little bit more because your tire's going to be pinched, because I want to get you over here, but we got to get you back some. Okay, now go, passenger. I want to bring you through here. Good. Straighten her out. Hold on, a little bit this way. Get your back tire past that. A little bit, passenger. Good.
I was just walking out of the woods and wouldn't you know? Look at that. Found them. Whew. Took almost all night to find them. Hey guys! Ah, they're probably busy. Hi! Found you! Whew! Hey guys! Guys, I found you! Hey! Woo! Hi! Hi! Found you left me at the cliff. You left me at the cliff.
I actually forgot my GoPro. You can be part of this if you go get it for me.
Oh, where'd you put it?
Back on that cliff.
Oh, okay. I'll get it. I'll make you proud.
Even the MVP goes down once in a while. Once in a while.
How's that steering box?
We're about to find out. It's a toy now.
No, it's a toy like a toy.
Toy.
Can we jump back there?
Alright, so go ahead and check. Go ahead and turn it. Go the other way. Go ahead and go back. Ain't no play. Yeah. Awesome.
Good. And then, we have something else going on. Josh, this feels like deja vu.
Hi. So when you go to Potts Mountain, there's a rumor that goes on. You have to donate something or give something to the Lord of the Potts Mountain. Apparently that was a U-joint, a loose steering box, a brake caliper. That's what we're doing now. We're at a
Go-Mart.
Go-Mart, fixing our Jeeps to drive home. Do we make it? Do we die?
I don't know.
We'll see.
Tune in and find out.
Tune in and find out. We're on our way home. Stopped at Sheets, grabbed some food. You know, cupcake stuff. Are you serious? Are you? We gotta go, guys. We gotta go.
Oh my god.
Oh my crap. I'd like to give a big shout out, a big thank you to our partnerships with Weld Junkie Fabrication and Planning Chaos, where you can get all of our merchandise. PlanningChaos.com.
Thank you.
A big thank you to these two gents who have been running their tail off this whole weekend for us. So, from DAO to you guys, thank you.
Thanks, Jen.
Thank you.
This is why you're not on camera ever.
Can't take you anywhere. Jump.
Don't fall. You're getting rather close to the edge.